Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by claiming a quiet space and immediately positioning your microphone 12 inches from your mouth. This reduces room noise and keeps consistent gain. Once done, set your input gain so peaks hit around -12 to -6 dB to avoid clipping and preserve headroom. Make sure devices are silenced and fans are off or relocated, because environmental noise becomes hard to remove later. You're now ready to move into sound shaping and recording techniques. You'll improve clarity by treating early reflections. Place panels or blankets 1-2 ft around the mic and use a reflection filter behind it to cut room bounce. Once done, engage a high-pass filter at 80-120 Hz to remove rumble and keep a pop filter to reduce plosives. Maintain a steady angle and distance to control sibilance. Make short test recordings while monitoring on closed-back headphones, then tweak gain and mic placement until your voice sounds natural and free of distracting artifacts. You finish by recording complete takes, saving files in 24-bit WAV at 48K Hz for best headroom and editability. Rename files immediately so you can return easily. Once done, apply noise reduction sparingly. Capture a silent profile and subtract only what's necessary to avoid artifacts. If persistent background noise remains, isolate the source or move to a quieter room. Alternatively, switch to a close proximity dynamic microphone, because
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.